Hi there, it's Gina with WTI. I just love a good matte lip look. And these little pudding pots from ITY have been giving me the perfect color, look, and texture. I wasn't sure what to expect because they describe it as a clay or a mud, but I was so pleasantly surprised by how buttery smooth it is. Some lip matte products dry out my lips and accentuate the lines, but these don't at all. And they have a really nice light cocoa scent to them. The Sandalwood Rose shade is a really pretty rosy nude pink, and I love that these work for not just your lips, but also cheeks. So I'm on the go a lot, I do my makeup in the car a lot, and so having one product to use in both places is totally amazing. I also love the applicator that comes with this. It's a really soft, kind of spongy silicone, and it just makes the product go on really well. Plus, it doesn't absorb in, so you're not wasting product. I like that a lot too. I also got two other shades. The Red Velvet is a really nice blue red. I love the pop of color. And the Terracotta Kiss is a really nice nude color. ITY has such a good variety of colors. They're so brilliant, beautiful pigment, and they just pop. I really enjoy using these lip and cheek clays, and that's my point of view.